Hello everyone and welcome to this little video. Today I'm going to show you how you can buy Ethereum very easy and very quickly. For this we will have to go to Binance.com and you'll have to create an account on Binance. This is basically the marketplace where we will buy our crypto. If you have an account already, great. If you don't have one, then you can just open a new tab, type in Binance.com and sign up. It shouldn't take longer than 10 minutes. You do have to be over 18 to create an account. If you are underage, you can just ask a parent or ask any friend who is 18. It's perfectly legal to hold cryptocurrencies, being underage, but it is illegal to sign up for marketplaces like Binance, where you actually buy the crypto from a marketplace. This, from what I know, is illegal if you're underage. So you should definitely get somebody who is over 18 for this. So you will have to sign up for this, and then you are on your homepage right here. I'll make a video also on how to sign up for Binance, but I don't have it uploaded yet. Then we are here on our homepage, and we can just go here to buy crypto. This is where we want to buy our crypto, and we have numerous options here. The easiest thing is definitely with a credit card. This is what I normally do. A bank deposit is also possible. You can just go to your bank or to your online bank and send the money to your Binance account. Yeah, this is also possible, and then you don't have any transaction fees for the bank deposit. The problem with this is it does take a bit of time, so I think credit card is easier. That's what I normally do. You do have a transaction fee then of I think 1.7% or something. So it might make sense if you really invest, I don't know, 10,000 euros or so, then you might consider the bank deposit, because then you'll actually save quite a bit of money. But for smaller amounts especially, I'm just going to use my credit card. Yeah, so we'll just click on credit card, and now the page is loading. It sometimes takes quite a long while with Binance. I don't really know why. You can comment down below if you know why it takes so long. Maybe there's some technical reason behind this. So how do we buy Ethereum now? We can see all the menu here. Now Bitcoin is pre-selected, BTC, but we don't want to buy Bitcoin right now. We want to buy Ethereum. So we can just scroll down, and there it is already, Ethereum. We can select Ethereum. And here we put in how much money we want to spend. So let's say you want to spend 200 euros and you want to buy 200 euros. You are going to get 0.102 Ethereum in the end. Yeah, so here you just put in your credit card, and you can then literally just click buy with your credit card, and then the Ethereum will be sent to your wallet over here. I'm not gonna actually buy Ethereum right now because I'm already invested in crypto, and I'm just here to show you how it actually works. And now the question is, how do we withdraw the Ethereum to our actual wallet, wherever it may be? I use the Trustwallet on my phone. I don't recommend you to keep your crypto on Binance. Why is this? It has safety reasons. Binance is basically a marketplace where you can buy cryptocurrency, and it's great for buying cryptocurrencies, but you don't want to store them there. A crypto marketplace is always a bit more subject to hackers and attacks and stuff. So just download Trustwallet, the app on your phone. I'll put the link into the description. And what you want to do is you want to open Trustwallet on your phone, and you want to search for Ethereum. You can do this by just putting in the little settings here. There you see all the coins, and you can just go down and activate Ethereum. I think it's even pre-selected if you open your Trustwallet for the first time. So you just want to click on Ethereum then, and you want to click receive. And there you will see this address and the barcode. And we will need the address in order to send it to ourselves to the Trustwallet. So what we want to do is we want to go to our Binance wallet. We can just hit overview. We are here on the wallet overview. And what we want to do now is we want to click withdraw. And then you will have two options. You can either withdraw fiat currency like euros or US dollars, etc. Or you can withdraw crypto. Now crypto is pre-selected, and you can choose your coin here. Obviously we just purchased Ethereum, so we hit Ethereum, and this is the field where you need to paste in your address, the one that I just showed you from the Trust Wallet. Make sure it's your own address. Feel free to send them to my address. I wouldn't have anything against this. No, but you want to make sure this is your address. So you just paste it in here. You can send it to yourself. Make sure it's the correct one. And then you select the network, just select Ethereum. I know it's a lot pricier, but it doesn't work with the Binance Smart Chain. The network fee is quite high, but this is nothing compared to what you will hopefully get in return from buying crypto. And then you can just click max, Obviously for me it says 0.000, etc. This is because I didn't actually buy Ethereum right now. But if you have bought something, it will take some minutes until it appears in your wallet, and then it will say like, okay, 0.1 or whatever, how much you bought. And then you can just hit submit, and after some minutes you will find the Ethereum in your wallet. And yeah, this is how you buy Ethereum. And trust me guys, once you signed up for Binance, you should totally do this. Once you signed up for Binance, buying any crypto really is extremely simple. Obviously Binance doesn't support all coins, especially the smaller ones that are now trending like SAFEMOON, ElonGate, etc. But lucky for you, if you want to buy these coins, I made videos for them and for a bunch of other smaller tokens and coins that you can check out on my channel, because then you can't just pay them with a credit card, but you instead need to purchase this coin, the BNB coin, with which you can then swap them into SafeMoon or ElonGate, etc. So if you're interested in this, I'll put the links in the description to these videos. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is how you buy Ethereum very quickly using Binance. I really hope you found some value in this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I will do lots more crypto tutorials in the future. And yeah, my name is Luca, I'm the German travel guy, and you can join me on my mission to visit every country on the planet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.